going to show you how to make some easy sweets for Samhain. It's these little autumn leaves here. So what you're going to need is marzipan, icing sugar, food colouring, you can add some glitter as well, a knife and a paintbrush. So use the icing sugar to stop the marzipan sticking to whatever surface you're working on. You roll the marzipan out into a sausage and then cut it into segments of about the same width. That's a good way to get things about the same size. Roll the segments into balls. Then you take the ball, flatten it out and shape it to become a leaf. Then you use the back of the knife, not the sharp edge, to make a line down the centre, and then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, little veins on either side. Then you take the paintbrush and your food colouring, and you paint the leaf, and you'll see that where you've put dents into the surface of the leaf with the knife, the paint will soak in a bit, make them show up a bit more.